Right now, market is ranging, so I can't say nothing about it. As I say, I don't want to analyze something that isn't moving. Okay. On the 1 hour gap, you could easily take a buy side here. This is London's high. Hello, hello. What you doing? What you doing? It's 9:20. I'm thinking that she'll be on the charts. Well, that's what we do now. We walk in trade. Any particular reason why? Okay. Well, um, are technically in a buy. How is it technically? Right. Yeah. I see that. I see that. I'm gonna wait till 10 o'clock to trade or something. So we'll wait till 10 o'clock to trade or something. Mm. So are you better? Are you getting better at holding trades or what's up? Mm-hmm. You are you still using the 1,000 chip? Okay. So let me ask you this. This thing, like this market look like we've been chopping all London session the entire day. What makes you think like we're gonna break out and go higher? I mean, I'm saying we've been chopping the entire day. What makes you think that we're gonna go higher? I'm looking at the 15 and 30 minute. I'm looking at all these time frames. It doesn't. It looks very like the range is tight. Like the difference between the high and the low is just not too many points. We okay. The daily candle so far is what 98 points on a 243 point ATR. So you know, and low like okay. Okay. I think we're gonna meander around London low and then get that push higher. I think we're gonna meander around London low and then get that push higher. There was buyers at the bottom there. We failed, but I think it's waiting until the new hour and then we'll get that pop higher to all time highs. Yes, it's still not trying to break the low. Yep, bearish bullish SMT there. I'm long biased a little bit unless we start knifing lower on both ES and Nasdaq. I kind of want to be a buyer here. I just don't think we have. Yeah, it's just buyers. Well, not buyers per se, but like the buyers are stubborn at the low there of London low. So that just means that there's interest, and I kind of want to see what they do with that level. Yeah, still stubborn. But I kind of want to be a buyer in new hour. Not gonna buy before some natural gas storage. It's nothing crazy. 3 till 10. Haven't taken a trade yet. Like a 4 hour gap below us as well. Four-hour gap below us. Midline is like 224. Yeah, this is like the beginning of the 4 hour gap. I love when my screen is just freezing perpetually. What's up? What is that? Why? Y'all got all the holidays in the world, bro. What the heck? 5-day weekend. Y'all got all the holidays in the world. What is a 5-day weekend? I said, y'all got all the holidays in the world. What is a 5-day weekend? Mm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I wouldn't. I wouldn't even. I wouldn't even buy it. Yeah, I wouldn't even buy it. Yes, it's dropping now. I just love how I'm just like lagging. Love it. Right, I think I can take a sell here, but you got rush coming up in 15 for the new 15 candle. Why am I lagging? I can't even. Like, I literally can't even trade. This joint is lagging every 2 seconds. Okay, orders at the bottom. For some very odd reason, I don't trust this. Some odd reason, I just don't trust it. This is either about a flush or no more bullish just anymore. So, but just better stepping in at that 1 minute gap. Kind of interesting. Yeah. Just these 15 minutes, I guess. I just didn't want to do it right before a new hour. I really want to wait for a new hour. I really want to wait for a new hour. Yeah, retest on that 1 minute fair value gap. I'll get in there. It's like 1K orders to sell and just fail at the bottom. Once I consolidate here, make structure, new hour drop down, so 1 minute gap, boom. Put a long to all time highs. Maybe. I don't believe this. I don't. Like, yeah, it's cool. I believe like this is obviously rallying, and the fact that it's rallying this hard off this low is good. I like that, but it's gonna retest has to, right? It does not be crazy. That's an hour. I think we tapped it on NQ. That first presented, yeah. We tapped it on NQ. Freeze? That's why. Literally connected to a dog order network. Alright, getting the drop there. Some speed, that's good. Would have added up there, but I'm not. That's I don't even. It doesn't even look like a valid. It doesn't look like a valid. Like I wasn't confident in it. Shown by the amount of contracts I used. So I only used one. And then I needed to break the low that I need retest, so I'll get it for an ad. Or, yeah, look like we're getting heavy on the tape. Look at that. I love how I'm literally not connected to the internet. Holy. only breaking once we take the low. That's it. If we don't take the low, I want to be out of this trade. Like, I don't want to risk anymore on this. It's already consolidating, which I figured it would do. This value area. We'll keep going lower. I don't know. I don't see any buyers here, so unless we absorb heavy, which I highly doubt, because with the dailies bearish, 4 hours bearish, the hourly's bearish, 30 minutes bearish, 15 minutes free bearish. Unless we decide to absorb heavy, like I said. I can't do that. I just can't go against it. That's pretty stupid. Like, what if it consolidates just to keep going lower? I want to catch a reversal. I really want to add. Like, I'm itching not to add, but I have to stay disciplined there. Just gonna mess up my entry for nothing. Took the low. Finally. Any retracement long I want to get in. It's 1020. I see the low of this 4-hour gap at least get tapped. That's within the ATR limit. So hopefully we don't retest this and reverse. That would be interesting. But because we took the low out, I wanna see any bullish candles I want to sell into for the continuation lower. So anything above here, to be honest, I want to get in short. A lot. Yeah, like, I guess. That's a big jump. Holy. .2 kilos, so again, if it takes the high, that's my stop. Holy, $73. I can reduce this to like here. Okay. I'm getting in as we're pushing the high of this 5 minute, hoping this 5 minute stays bearish, and we're just testing the open. As we're testing the open, I'm getting that push lower, and then as we get that push lower, get that follow through towards the low. You know, hopefully that didn't just take liquidity. That would be unfortunate. But that's just the trade idea. I'm hoping this is like a continuation play to continue lower. Like I didn't just take liquidity in reverse. 5 minute coming up. Let's see. I do respect the fact that we took the low and then reversed, but yeah, I guess this wasn't I just expected a bigger move than that. Just fair to say, at the least. I still don't see buyers in here, even at that low. So yeah, those odds are pretty well placed, in my opinion. Still expecting this to continue lower. We're just waiting. Nice. So anything above here, I'll add. Anything above this high, I want to add. Stop is still less than 150, so not too mad. I'm just building the position here. Stop still less than 150. And decons, which is not, like I said, it's not the end of the world. Just building it here. Might get the rip lower here. This place is no longer valid. Let's see the low get taken out here. So 15 seconds on this 1 minute candle before we get that nice close. Look at all these 2K orders or so, like, that's a lot. There you go. There we go. Alright. Slowly breaking a low. New 30 minute, new 15 coming up, so expect for this to continue dropping lower. If you can get the break of the low and probably before the new 30, that would be nice. Don't want it to retest that low anymore and continue. I want it to drop because we have room to the downside, and we've already been building orders to the downside, so I just suspect this is just going to continue lower. At this point, if we wanted to reverse, it should reverse by now, but it didn't. So yeah, I'll look to add if we break the low again. Show any bullish candles, I'll look to add maybe 2 contracts or something, just to really capitalize on this move. There you go, some nice. Takes a high again, why not? Nice pullback. Just building. Just building it. Let me get that dump lower. Nice. Right before a new 15. That next 15 should capitulate. If it doesn't, that'll be interesting. See some lows here that I find quite significant. We tap this and then get a retracement maybe. Here we go, new 15. Alright, so going lower now with all the 2K orders back should give us the nice capitulation we've been looking for. Don't know what this level is. I think this is 233. I think this is it right here. Okay, we took the low, but I don't. It's staying right there. That's good. I want to drop, not just stay there. I don't want it to pause. I want it to drop, not go higher, but drop. That's good. Good candle. Good candle. Nice. Nice. It's a sell side here. Significant sell side. Okay, what is there? Alright, boom. There we go. Get the rip. Next 1 minute candle. No buyers there at the bottom again. Still. I don't know if I want to add there either. Say limit buy, limit sell. Nice. Nice. Okay. Took took the sell side I was talking about. So we're watching this level here. See what we can see. So first minute of the 1 minute of the 15-minute candle. I'm gonna roll my stop up. I think that's worthy of that. 300 orders there to sell. That's pretty decent volume on that leg down. If we can get the move, yeah, to that's the midline coming up here. It's a new minute candle. It's nice. Look at that. 600 orders to sell at the bottom. Some buyers stepping in there. Small buyers. See if we can get this tap back in. 700 orders at the bottom. Get that tap back out, add again. Just following price. There's a lot of buyers there. Okay. Not really what I wanted to add, but sure. That was sell side, and there's buyers there. Expect this to continue lower, so just add it there. E5 coming up in 2 minutes. Hopefully this minute closes. Yeah, there's a lot of buyers there. Lots and lots of buyers there. Yeah. Part of me just wants to like close this whole thing just because the buyers are stepping in there, but because the daily ATR is, it seems like we have room. Like, it just seems like we have room. It just seems like it. Like that right before an E5. If we take that low, that'll be sweet. That'd be sweet. We do. That's good. We might get that capitulation. I want to roll this stop. I just don't like the buyers that are right here. Okay. There we go. For the break of the low. Haven't broken the low yet. Nice. Rip through the low. That's the midpoint. Watching that low there. Nice. I'm rolling that stop up. Above this candle's high. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. What is this? A daily low? But no color here, bro. I won't lie to you. Like, I don't like that retracement off the low either. So that's that new 5. Like, I should definitely not be retracing that hard right after making a new 5 minute, 1 minute candle. And there's a 4 hour gap. Like I don't know. I wanted to tap the low, but that's kind of greedy at the same time. So if it isn't respected immediately, I kind of want to cut this trade. Yeah, I don't want to see any retracements. I'm done adding. Won't lie. So close to the low over my TP, I should say. It's 38 points. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start offloading. I'll take like 3 off here or something. Let me buy. If he doesn't take it, then doesn't take it. 800 orders at the bottom. Is this even? I guess there's the order stacking there. 58. I guess. Let's see, now it's pulling up. I guess shouldn't pull up when it does that. And now that 5-minute candle's flipping green. In a 1-minute gap, but it should have made a bigger low off that push. Let me get it here though. Cancel this. My ultimate TP terminus is 183. 183. There you go. So, yeah. This next break of the low needs to go. Waiting for it, for the break here. For the break. Take off like 3, bro. And then take off another 3 here. Take off the last 2 here. Something like that. I don't like how we're not breaking out that 900 orders at the bottom. That should have went. Taking out. Fuck it. That 900 orders at the bottom, that should have went. Should have went. Oh well. So, who there? I should have went. 900 orders at the bottom, like.